Welcome back to Trojan. Today we're stepping into the Perps page, your command center for trading perpetual futures. Here you can open longs or shorts, watch markets move in real time, track funding rates, and manage every position with full control. Let's start by funding your Perps wallet. Before you trade, you've got to fuel the engine. Tap Transfer. Choose your source wallet, enter the amount to move, confirm it, and once it lands, that USDC becomes your collateral for every perp position you open. Now, picking your market. Let's jump in and choose what to trade. Tap the drop-down in the top left to browse the full lineup of assets. Pick one, then take a breath and check the essentials: volume, open interest, the chart, and that live funding countdown ticking away. Everything you need to feel the pulse of the market is right here. Quick tip: you can tap the star next to any asset to add it to your Perps watch list. On to placing a trade. First, choose your direction. Go long if you expect price to rise, or short if you expect it to fall. Simple enough. Next, set your leverage. Tap the default number and use the slider to dial it in. Remember, every asset has its own max leverage. Then choose your order type: market for instant entry, limit for precision. After that, choose your margin mode. Cross uses your entire balance as shared collateral. Isolated risks only what you dedicate to this trade. Now set your trade size. You can size by buy amount, your USDC collateral, or by order value, your total leveraged exposure. Tap the circle icon to easily switch modes. The asset equivalent updates automatically on the right. Optionally, add a take profit or stop loss to lock in gains or protect your downside. When everything looks right, tap long or short at the bottom to send the order. Let's talk managing your trades. Once your order's in motion, everything updates in the tables below the chart. Positions shows your active trades and key metrics. Active orders displays any pending limit or stop orders. Trade history presents a full record of fills and P&L. Finally, you can always keep an eye on funding and market metrics at the top of the chart. They'll tell you the story behind the price action and give you some peace of mind or a little heads up about what your next move should be. That's the Perps page, built for fast, flexible, and powerful futures trading. Take your time, find your spot, and go be a hero. I'll see you in the trenches.